Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in the retro shooter giveaway, we are going to give away 2 cool kits. Yep, that is what we're going to do. It's going to be in collaboration where he's going to help me send out products to the lucky winners. In the end of September, I'm closing this, let's say, giveaway where I'm going to announce in a new video 2 new winners. But let's talk about what kind of stuff we're going to give away and what can you win. So what are we going to give away? It's going to be quite simple. 2 awesome prizes. The left over here we're going to get the Retro Shooter Pandora's Box, and at the right we're going to get ourselves the Upgrade Kit for the Pandora's Box 10th Anniversary Edition. The first prize is going to be the Retro Shooter Pandora's Box or Pandora's Box Gold Edition. This includes the game system, the controllers and the light gun kit. The second prize will be for the people who just want to have an upgrade kit for the Pandora's Box 10th edition. So this will include the light gun kit and the hub itself. Everything is going to be sent out to the winners from China. But in the end we're going to give away 2 awesome prizes. And yeah, what is very important is how can you enter this giveaway? It's super simple. Subscribe to the Wicked Package from China, hit that little bell and let me know in the comments which product do you prefer. Do you want to have the Retro Shooter Pandora's Box or do you have the Pandora's Box 10th edition and want to have the upgrade kit with the Firebase hub? Let me know in the comments. Nevertheless, don't forget to put in Wicked Family if you have subscribed, and it will be great to see you in the next video. And let's make somebody happy. On the end of September I will close up this giveaway and we'll be posting a new video where I'm announcing the winners for these freaking cool products. Thank you all for watching, consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and it would be great to see you in the next video.